Assalamualaikum. So let's start with the introduction. Calorimeter is a device used for heat measurements necessary for calorimetry. It mainly consists of a metallic vessel made of materials which are good conductors of electricity such as copper and aluminium. There is also a facility for stirring the contents of the vessel. This metallic vessel with a stirrer is kept in an insulating jacket to prevent heat loss to the environment. There is just one opening through which a thermometer can be inserted to measure the change in thermal properties inside. The next one is about types of calorimeter, and there are three most common, which is the first one is bomb calorimeter. It used to measure the heat of combustion of a substance. The second one is constant pressure calorimeter. It is often used in laboratories to measure heat changes in aqueous solution at constant pressure. The last one is differential scanning calorimeter (DSC). It is used to measure heat flows associated with phase transition such as melting or crystallization as a function of temperature or time.
There's a few uses of calorimeter. Firstly, we got measuring heat of chemical reaction. Calorimeters are used to measure the heat released or absorbed during the chemical reaction, such as combustion, neutralization, or dissolution. This is important in studying reaction enthalpies and determining thermodynamic properties. The example of measuring heat of chemical reaction is a bomb calorimeter measures the heat released when a substance is burned in oxygen to study its calorific value. The other uses of calorimeter is determining caloric value of foods and fuels. In the food industry and energy sector, calorimeters are used to measure the calorific value of food and fuels. This helps in nutritional analysis and energy production. The example of determining caloric value of foods and fuels is a bomb calorimeter is used to measure the calorific content of fuels like coal, gasoline, or food samples.
Hi, I'm Arisya. So I'm going to talk about thermodynamic measurement. For thermodynamic measurement, it's focused on studying how energy is transferred and transformed during various processes. Calorimeters are crucial in these studies because they allow precise measurement of heat change, which are directly related to thermodynamic properties. For the example, which is enthalpy change, in a reaction like the neutralization of an acid with a base, a calorimeter can measure the heat release. The enthalpy change can then be calculated from this heat measurement. About energy efficiency studies, in engineering and industrial application, calorimeters are used to assess the energy efficiency of various processes and systems. These studies are important for optimizing energy use, reducing waste, and improving overall performance in industry like manufacturing, energy production, and material science. For the example, which is fuel testing, calorimeters are often used in the testing of fuels such as coal, natural gas, or biofuels to determine their energy content. This is typically done using a bomb calorimeter. Type of calorimeter are designed for high pressure reaction like combustion.
I will continue with the significance of calorimeter. The first one is calorimeters allow precise measurement of heat energy transfer in chemical reactions or physical processes. The second one, a calorimeter isolates reaction to prevent heat loss to the surroundings, ensuring accurate measurement of temperature changes and precise determination of the heat or enthalpy change. Finally, I will end this presentation with a conclusion. As a conclusion, calorimeters are vital in thermochemistry for accurately measuring heat transfer during chemical reactions, confirming the conservation of energy. They help determine enthalpy changes and specific heat capacities, crucial for understanding reaction energetics and material properties. These measurements are essential for application such as reactor design, fuel evaluation, material development, and thermal processes, making calorimeters crucial tools in both theoretical and practical chemistry. Thank you all for your time and attention. It's been a pleasure sharing this with you, and I appreciate the opportunity to present today. Bye.